So this is going to be a short little video on the multiplier, the GDP multiplier. It comes about because when we draw the Keynesian cross, which has real GDP on the x-axis, aggregate expenditures on the y-axis, so first, right, here's our Keynesian cross. So now, if I change, right, so the triangle means change. If, for instance, I change consumption such that it increases by $100, then, right, that would increase AE, right, because AE, just to kind of keep it a little cleaner here, AE equals CIG and NX, and now the C is 100 higher, right, so it's going to raise the AE, that should be a straight line here. It's going to raise my AE curve such that the vertical distance is 100. But then what the multiplier does is it's basically saying what is the difference between Q1 and Q2? It's actually going to be something greater than 100. Hence the term the multiplier. So the question basically that the multiplier tries to capture is how much the equilibrium real GDP changes on the Keynesian cross. The equation for the multiplier is 1 over 1 minus the marginal propensity to consume. The marginal propensity to consume could be found in the consumption function. It's the term that's a less than 1 and is before the disposable income. So in this case, we would have 1 over 1 minus 0.8, which would equal 1 over 0.2, would equal 5. So there's my multiplier itself, is that it's 5. And now what I do is I multiply the 5 times the 100. So 100 times 5 is obviously 500. That turns out to be the difference between Q1 and Q2. So again, what the multiplier does for us is with information about the marginal propensity to consume, you could take the initial change that was given for one of the components of aggregate expenditures, multiply it by the multiplier equation, which is 1 over 1 minus MPC, to get the total change in equilibrium real GDP. That, Monica, is the multiplier. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here, and hopefully that